rapid 10-minute chess game on my chess.com and recording it as for my new channel Shadok Holmes. I'm uploading chess live chess videos, and one of the shorts are performing very good there. I got 2 subscribers in 2 days, not bad. And this is a game I'm playing in a mobile, but just recording it in this laptop now. And opponent castles queenside, so time is also running out, so maybe normal development I should do. Knight b2 d7 now I played, and he has full 9 minutes. He's an American player, modern Namindo Renio. So queen is played. Maybe he wants to open his rook file, so I can attack the queen, but I think it's better to attack on the queen side first. That means pawn to a4, a5, b4, b5, b4, then b4, then maybe a4, a5 now, but he is planning to checkmate. So the last move, queen ace3, indicates that he wants to go for a checkmate threat now. But I have a trick playing knight e5, sorry e5, because now his pawn to e4 pawn cannot be moved and there is no checkmate, and he captures on e5, but I can capture with my rook, with my knight, and attack his queen. So he captures, and it is forced actually to capture. But now my move is also forced. I attacked his queen actually. Now my bishop on c8, you can see I have a nice bishop on c8, and it is now developed. Now the queen has low squares, that means less squares, good squares for anywhere he can go. Then I can attack his queen with my knight. So maybe knight which move is better now, I don't know. Knight e3 or maybe knight f2 knight f2 g4 is better, I think, because my knight on e5 is still working on the center. Now he can attack again, and what can I do now? Maybe I can play g5 or exchange the bishop. I think it is better. Exchange the bishop will make my opponent attackers to go exchange it, or it is forced actually. Bishop is pinned now, so bishop has to capture, or he can play g3. So 4 minutes in my clock, but my opponent has 7 minutes videos. So queen captures, bishop captures, queen captures is check now. Maybe now I'm fine. I can capture his bishop also. It is not attacking actually, just, but a5 is better, I think. A5 and a5, then a4, then I think b4 will, his knight can be trapped, but he has now moved. Maybe a3 he can play, pawn a3, then his knight can be saved on knight a2, playing knight a2. So playing how to win a chess game, I don't know how to win this game, but I have there is no strong attacks from my opponent this time, because now my pieces are active. I see, you can see also, and my rating is 1900 on chess.com rapid, you can see. But I want to help my beginners also. If any beginner watches my video, I'm trying to share my knowledge, how I play, how I think in chess while facing strong opponents. So hope it will be helpful for the beginners and intermediate players also. I'm also an intermediate player. My FIDE rating is 1800. So he played g3. Maybe next target is g4, f4 is target. So what can I play? Maybe I have to capture the bishop, because maybe my pieces can be, that means he can fork with his pawn. So I removed my knight, but and maybe now my okay, now I can attack, but he has f4 anyway, so I have to remove my queen actually, or I can play as I planned, that a5 is best, I think. Then my pawn to b4 is coming. He attacking on his king side actually, because now it is his king in the queen side, so it's my attacking target now. Because if I only defend myself, then so he has many h3 moves now, or f3. Then if I play f4, he could fork again, but he attacked my queen, so he wants to restrict my knight, that means I attack my knight actually. So I think I have queen to b4, queen to c5 is best now. Queen to c5, because my queen has to save. So now if you attack my knight or h3, I have knight f6, or knight a6. So my time is 2 minutes down, but I think my queen and knight is doing better here. And now I have another threat. You can see there is a fork. Okay, now I think it is so tough for my opponent. He can play knight to h3. It is he can save from this fork. Okay, he did not. He was stick to his plan, but knight f2. You can see it's a fork, and my queen is guarding knight f2. It was my turn, and I played knight f2, and it's a fork, and I think there is no solution, because the h1 rook is totally not moving because of his pieces, so he has to give exchange. He can save the exchange. Okay, oh no, he moved the wrong piece. He should move the queen to there. Queen to f3 could gain my knight, but now I could capture, but I think, yeah, knight into f, knight into h1. Now he can regain it, I think. Now what can I play? Maybe now my attack, it's my attacking move now. I play this move, attack the knight, and so maybe after that, oh, which move can we play? Oh, I missed some. No, I should. My knight is gone, but what can be the next move? Maybe, but I cannot play direct g4. Can I play it? b5, b6, sorry, b3. I think attacking. Okay, another nice. Okay, I think it's bishop a6 is better. It is the best move, I think, because I have to open up my pieces. That means free my pieces now first. Then I can attack. Now I can play, or maybe now I can play this rook to rook to f to e8, because this pawn is under attack now. I attack this pawn, so only 2 minutes. I don't know how to win this game, because time can cost me. I can lose by time. There is no increment. It's a rapid game. Oh, he's saved actually, but I can pin. I can pin because pushing the pawn. And now I think his rook is attacked second time because my queen is attacking, my rook is attacking. So this pawn is, I can exchange the pawn, but he has defenders. But my pieces are active. He has only 2 knights, but they are only in the back rank still. But my bishop is so good here. And I have 2 rooks. Anytime I can go for pawn to b3, but not now. Maybe I should play bishop to c4 first. Then I have this. But I should wait actually. Oh, he is. I can push the pawn or play direct. I don't know. Maybe push the pawn is better because now I attack his d pawn again, e pawn again. It's a double attack again with my rook queen. Okay, maybe I can exchange, or I can push further. Is it better, or capture the pawn? I think bishop is better now. Playing bishop, then I have bishop to d5. The queen can be trapped. Or okay, he plays a knight, and I can pin the knight. Maybe now b3, pawn to b3 is a good move because everything is now like this. Everything I can exchange on the queen side pawns. He must exchange one or two pawn. Let's see. So he is trying to exchange a pawn, but I think it is better exchange this pawn with a check. So my time is only 59 seconds. I cannot talk. Maybe I have capture. I have to capture. Now he can play his knight. Maybe I can pin his knight. Okay, maybe pin is better, but he can exchange. Not bad. I think it is better. So I want to capture every pawn on the queen side. Maybe it's a check is better first. So now I have these rooks every time. Rook is attacking. 47 seconds. Oh my god, I don't know. So it's tough now, but it's a winning game because I'm winning his knight and he resigned. So at last he understand and give me help me actually, because it's my game. But if I get used many times, maybe I can lose the game. But my opponent helped me resign the game early. So thanks for watching.